Ever feel like your mind is working against you? What if I told you, you could change that in just 7 days? Extreme psychological biohacking is possible. Imagine deleting limiting beliefs and achieving true mental freedom. Let's dive into how measurable mental tracking can make that happen. First, identify your limiting beliefs. What thoughts hold you back? Is it fear? Doubt? Write them down. This will help clear your mind. Next, track your thoughts daily. Use a journal or app. Record each time a limiting belief pops up. This simple practice reveals patterns in your thinking. After tracking, challenge those beliefs. Ask yourself, are they really true? Often, they're just stories we tell ourselves. Replace each negative thought with a positive one. This rewiring process can be incredibly powerful. Now, take action. Each day, do something that scares you. Small steps matter. Over time, these actions help debunk your limiting beliefs. Finally, share your journey. Tell a friend or post on social media. Engaging with others keeps you accountable and may inspire someone else. In summary, identify, track, challenge, act, and share. This method offers visible mental results within just 1 week. Are you ready to start rewiring your brain? Click the link in the description and join me on this journey today.